again. Looks like Red Bull is back in form. The car didn't seem to have any negatives, and you didn't hear Max complaining much, like we
Right.
have the last several races. So my biggest takeaway is like, oh no, Red Bull got it.
Oh no, more no. So yeah, well, I just can't believe Max Verstappen performing so well and just in such a terrible car. He's really struggling with that
Poor
underperforming
Max.
red
Poor Max. He's really at a disadvantage, isn't he?
heroically overcoming that.
Actually, I think you've said it on this show several times
Yeah.
that what if the car actually isn't as bad as he's making it seem?